I've invited my friend Barista Benji over to do some amazing latte art designs, but Ben has got a little bit of a challenge for us.
Yeah, today we're going to be taking 3 World Championship winning latte art pours, and we're going to be trying to replicate them as best we can.
Okay, what's the first one?
The first one is from 2018. The champion Irving Kwek created the hornbill. It's one that I have used quite a lot, so we're going to give that one a go first.
What makes the hornbill such an interesting but also difficult design?
I think that what makes it such an interesting design is it's got great composition, but what makes it so difficult is the sheer volume of elements in one cup. There are a lot of rosettas, there's slow pouring aspects, and there's lots of tiny elements that we need to get perfectly right in the right spaces to make the design work as a harmonious cup.
That's pretty much it though.
I mean, that's the wish version.
Decaf version.
Yeah, this is why we do practice reps.
That looks like coffee.
Okay, if I don't get it right this time, then there's no excuse.
There's no excuse, it's just your
can't
fault.
actually do the pattern. Not great, but that's about as good as I can get that one.
Okay, I think we did a pretty good job of that one. That one, because you've practiced it a lot, it's a good one to start with. What's the second one?
The second one is from the 2019 champion Manuela Fenzore. It's a design that actually incorporates a lot of artistry and skill into it, but focusing more on the composition of the portrait of a horse. This is the first time I've done this.
This is the first one, so this might be a disaster. I really hope it is. So.
I will try my best. So the tricky part of these designs, all of the rosettas that go into them, getting them in the right place. Let's take another.
Let's take another look. That is high soul silver away.
The second I started pouring that, I forgot what it looked like. Once I got to here, I completely forgot what I was supposed to do next.
Not quite the same.
Well, whatever.
Yeah, that's a tough pour, man. That's a tough pour. Yeah, can you try not to wreck my table, bro? Nice. That actually looks kind of perfect. So why is it bleeding? Is it just because of the water content, or is it?
I think it's a bit of both. We've reached the very last bit of the pour here.
Okay, so that's better than the first one though. Look, there's
like
an
a donkey.
improvement. That one is an ass. And that one is a donkey.
So this is getting really thick towards the end. Obviously, you can see the goal with all this kind of latte art is to perfectly fill up the cup.
You lose a point in a competition if you can see there's a little bit.
It's underfilled.
Of more, yeah, it's underfilled.
But also it means that we're using the thick foaminess of the jug
a bit too early.
Way too early. If you're doing a course for the World Latte Art or the National Latte Art competitions, you weigh out the milk and you make sure that you get an espresso length in grams is what you're expecting.
This is the World Latte Art cup. This is the Lavaran mix.
Yeah,
and that is 300 mils.
It's 300 mils. If I do a slightly under 30 gram espresso, I'm going to do
230 grams of milk.
227 grams. There you go. Right.
229.
Right between the eyes. I've made it slightly more foamy than I.
You're not going to screw it up that badly.
No, but you would notice because at the end it looks like a donkey.
Moment of truth.
Better.
That is a horse.
I'm taking it.
God damn, that looks way better.
I think I thought it was easy when I tried it 6 years ago, and it turns out not as easy as thought.
Well, that's the thing, because the Latte Art Championship has changed. The stuff that people are doing now is just insane, and this is doable.
Kind of.
Not as well, I think, as the one from the example. You're not going to win anything with that. Yeah, that one was hard.
Yeah.
That's a really. That is very challenging.
The third design is actually chronologically the first one. It's the 2017 champion Arnon. This design is a bunny on a tree, and it kind of paved the way for everything we do in latte art now.
Why is that?
Because Arnon showed us a skill called the dry foam technique, which is basically using the last bit of foam in the jug to create an eye for the bunny.
I'm guessing you start off with the tulip.
Correct.
That's awesome. Jesus,
got
that's
there.
so good.
We got there.
That's fantastic, dude.
Thank you so much.
So can you show me how to do that one?
Yeah, I'll guide you through it, don't worry. I believe in you.
You shouldn't.
So we're gonna start with the tulip at the bottom. It's a 3-layer tulip. Nice, keep it nice and small. We've got a rosetta on the side, down the edge. It's good. I'm gonna tip the cup, edge, and then go with the small rosetta. So we would have gone with bunny bits first,
Oh yeah.
but it's okay. Slow down. We're gonna ears, nice and slow. Ear, ear. Ta-da!
Ta-da! My first attempt, here's the thing, is that I did it the wrong way round.
You're roughly right, but this bit we were talking about here, where you did a longer rosetta on this side,
Yeah.
that is taking away from your space to be able to do this.
Right.
So we're going to do tulip, rosetta, rosetta, bunny body. We're going to do the line, and then we're going to finish the bunny. Really close. Much better.
I'm just going to call that a World Latte Art Championship winning pour. Like, I need a photo of that, just like proof.
For reference, it didn't
Like,
take photo.
yep.
Any-
I just won the World Latte Art Championship in 2017. I'm actually quite impressed with myself. I'm surprised I was able to do that.
Yeah, after a couple of attempts, I think you finally got there. I think because you can do some of the elements already, it's just about really making sure that they sing in the cup in the right places.
Thanks so much, Ben, for coming over and showing me how to pour a World Latte Art Championship winning pour, which is something that I'm very happy that I can do. If you want to follow Ben, he is on Instagram at
Barista Benji.
Thanks so much for watching, you wonderfully over-caffeinated people, and I'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.